When using vocabulary words in context, it's important to remember that you're going to have a context clue in the sentence that helps you identify the correct word. You can use words in a sentence to figure out the meaning of an unknown word or fill in a blank. If we're looking at this simple sentence, today was a blank day, there are many options. Great is one of them. You can also put in another adjective, horrible. Today was a horrible day at school. Both of these are correct sentences, but without other context clues or another sentence to look at, we don't know which one is correct or what the meanings of those words might be. If this was the second sentence to follow, I was thrilled to get an A on my test, we know that the first sentence is the correct one. Today was a great day at school. I was thrilled to get an A on my test. The word great that we filled in, we can use the context clue thrilled in the following sentence to let us know what this word might mean. When you're thrilled about something, you are happy, which makes it a positive connotation, so the word great fits. If we're going to go with the same example again, but the second sentence is different, today was a horrible day at school. I was saddened to have failed my test. This is the same example, horrible being the word you filled in. You can use the context clue saddened in the second sentence to give you clues to what the meaning of that blank is, in this case the word horrible that we filled in. In the quizzes to follow, you will be using a vocabulary word correctly in a sentence and identifying the context clue. For example, if your vocabulary word is accidental, a simple sentence could be, the accidental discovery of gold near the river was an unexpected surprise for our family. Accidental here is your vocabulary word, and unexpected is the context clue. Sometimes a context clue will be more than one word or a group of words. In this sentence, the accidental discovery of gold near the river came as a surprise for our family. Accidental is the vocabulary word, and the group of words came as a surprise acts as the context clue. When you are asked to write your own sentences, be sure to capitalize both the vocabulary word and the context clue in your sentence. You will be asked to do this in the following quizzes, where you can identify both the context clue and the vocabulary word. When you've gone over the vocabulary list and are familiar with the words, go on to the quizzes and give them a try.